हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम इंग्लिश में एक नया चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे, आईएनजी वर्ड्स। तो हम आज देखेंगे कि हम कौन कौन से वर्ड्स में आईएनजी यूज़ करते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। वर्ड्स लाइक डायरेक्ट वर्ब्स लाइक गो, ईट, लुक, we directly add ing in that. So go become going, eat, eating, look, looking. So it's very easy. We add ing to the verbs like go, going, eat, eating, look, looking. Then the second comes, the words are like give, write. You can see the last letter is E. So what we have to do is drop the E. Okay. So we directly drop the E. So when we add ing, we don't write E. What we write? G-I-V, and directly we add ing. So it becomes going. Then right there is E. So we drop the E and it will become writing. W-R-I-T-I-N-G, writing. Okay. So in third ing words we can see that it is vowel and consonant. So when we say sit, shop, and then comes plan, so what we'll do, we'll add the T. जो लास्ट का हमारा कंसोनेंट लेटर है उसको डबल करना है. सो इट विल बिकम SITTING, सिटिंग. SHOP, shop, so we double the P and it will become shopping. SHOPPING, shopping. Plan, 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 so it will become PLANN, plan. Then we'll add ing, planning. So we have seen the three types where we directly add ing forms, and second type we drop the E, and in third we double the consonants. Okay. So what we are going to do is add the word ing in these words. So that is your homework to do.